Unboxing gifts for Hopi Part 15! So, this one is from Baby Brezza, and I'm so grateful kasi ito talaga, kailangan ko talaga to. Wala pa ako neto. Gagamit ko talaga to, like, I'm sure. So, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Guys, you know what? Yung mga gamit ng baby, hindi basta-basta lang ha. Like, they really have their own stuff. And ang daming ganun ng Baby Brezza. Open it up. Ang laki mo, pero pang baby to. Open it. And we have another box. Because this is fragile talaga eh. Muna talaga i-reveal kung ano to. Woo! It's another box! So, this one is a bottle washer. This is a bottle washer pro. Paano nagsistruggle si Gio? Yon. So, this is the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. And I've been seeing this on TikTok. It really saves you a lot of time, guys. Kaya, I'm so grateful for this. I'm so excited to use this sa mga bottles ni P. Complete siya ng bottle. So, should I open it na? Sige na nga, open ko na nga siya. Pasilip lang. Pero honestly, I don't wanna open it yet. Kasi, my baby's room is not yet ready. So, baka I'll do a separate video on that. Pero, ayoko muna kasi siya tanggalin. But yeah, this is the Bottle Washer Pro. You guys will see me naman in the future using this. So, thank you so much, Baby Brezza!